July.
July is my birth month, yes.
July is your birth month. So you need to believe in prophetic. I don't joke. When I'm into prophetic, I'm serious. So you were born on 23rd of July?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a proof. This is a proof that God is speaking now.
Yes.
It's a proof that God is speaking now. Okay? It's a proof that God is speaking. So God is telling you to wait for marriage. You need to wait. You need to wait until God shows you way in ministry, because you are, now you've been growing in the ministry. You're not yet grown. So God is preparing you. You need wisdom. You need understanding. Okay? You need a right person to lead you, because whoever you believe are cheating you. Don't worry. Don't worry. It is God. Don't worry. And God shall change them. Don't worry. I know everything. It is not because of someone telling me. I also see prophetically. Okay, so I know what was happened. I know I could easily imagine. I could easily see what actually happened. And I want you all to have wisdom. If you have wisdom, you will understand what is right and what is wrong. And you need a person. You need a mentor now. You need a good mentor to mentor you, to teach you. You need teachings now. Until you have proper teachings, you cannot grow properly by your own.
Yes.
So from whose mouth you are hearing about spiritual father?
About my spiritual father. No, I've been waiting. I've been just asking the Lord, show me.
Waiting for today is your answer, and God is confirming you, and you are confused.
I understood.
You're still confused. Anyways, let God speak to you. So you've been praying for spiritual father, and God is telling me that tell her that. Okay, let's discuss. Anyways, but I need you to pray, fast and pray for this. You need to fast. You need to fast and pray. You need right guiding. You need right teachings. You need a right leadership, a daughtership or sonship, whatever it is. And you will grow well. I believe you will grow well. I believe. And I'll get back to you after this live. Just inbox me. We'll speak about this and we'll pray.
Yes.
Shut up, Raham. But you need to wait for your marriage. God is preparing you into ministry, and your husband will be from Christian background. He is going to be a man of God or a worshipper.
Yeah, actually, that's the thing, that God has revealed a person to me, and he is a worshipper. Yeah. But the problem is, there was, I don't know why, but then God revealed to me that Satan is also trying, because God has shown me many things after marriage, how we'll serve the Lord, we'll travel everywhere. So God has a very, great plan. But since it is going to affect Satan's kingdom, Satan has been trying. So now I have been keeping quiet. I said, if it is from God, now see, God is confirming everything. You don't know anything about me. And
are you sure?
yeah, because him being a worshipper was whatever God revealed to me, you can never know unless it's by the Lord.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So now you're believing that I'm into prophetic now.
No, I already know. That's why I had got in touch with you, man of God.
So prophetic or prophecy